Bucket Challenge. Thank you, Andres Guerrun and Sarita Guerrun, for nominating me to the Ice Bucket Challenge. This morning, I donated money to the ALS Foundation in the name of two of my good friends that are having their birthday today. We're very excited to do this together as a bunch of friends and family. And the exciting news is that the foundation has raised $41 million today as a result of the Ice Bucket Challenge. And I want to introduce my helpers and participants. Go ahead.
My name is Sophia Leal, and I'm helping Elizabeth do the Ice Bucket Challenge.
And your name is?
My name is Daniela Leal, and I'm helping her too.
And your name is?
Alejandra.
And you're the Bucketeers. So we're getting ready. And for us, it's a very special thing. This is a New York Yankees thing too. This is the Lou Gehrig's disease. And just before I do this, I nominate in Venezuela Eunice Morel. In Canada, I nominate Erica Wood Gomez. My Yankees fellow man, let's see, Samuel Schomstein and Daniel Guerrun. And for the Gator Nation, Fabian Suter and Robert Mino. 1, 2, 3, we're ready!